Hey alto players, thank you for practicing. When you're practicing something brand new, it's best to start slow. Slow and accurate is always better than fast and sloppy. And we're going to start by dutting the rhythms. So dut the first line. Here we dot. Da 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 da. Next line. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Then da 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 da. And stop. So just a note, we're in 2/4 time. So this is only worth 2 heartbeats. So this is a 3, 2, 1. And make sure that you recognize the dotted notes. Any note with a dot is 50% longer. So feel free to listen or play along. At the top, ready, go. Box 5. 3, 2. Then you rah rah. That is the first half of the school song, altos. Don't practice till you get it right. Practice till you can't get it wrong. Thanks for playing. Have a great day.